We'll get started. Exercise 9.4, right, page 395. So the first question is, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. So we need to solve this. So if you take the RHS, then 1 minus cos x will be 2 sine square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x will be 2 cos square x by 2. Then dy by dx will be equal to 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It will be tan square x by 2. Now, if you solve this using the variable separable, then we will have dy is equal to tan square x by 2 times dx. Then dy will be equal to tan square x by 2 can be written as secant square x by 2 minus 1 times dx, which implies dy, or integrating on both the sides, we get so integrating on both the sides, we get y is equal to secant square x by 2 is tan x by 2 divided by half minus x plus c. So y will be equal to 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. And this will be the required general solution. Second, we have dy by dx is equal to root of 4 minus y square. Then solve this equation. We can write dy divided by root of 4 minus y square is equal to dx. Now, if we integrate on both the sides, this implies we know that 1 by root of a square minus x square's integral is sine inverse of x divided by a. So here, if we integrate, we'll get sine inverse of y divided by 2 is equal to x plus c. Right? So sine inverse of y by 2 is equal to x plus c is going to be the required solution. Third, dy by dx plus y is equal to 1. So solution is dy by dx will be equal to 1 minus y, which implies dy divided by 1 minus y is equal to dx. So integrating on both the sides, integral of dy by 1 minus y is going to be log of 1 minus y divided by minus 1 is equal to x plus c. So this will be equal to minus log of 1 minus c is equal to x plus c, or this can be written as log of 1 minus y is equal to minus of x plus c, then 1 minus y will be equal to e power minus x plus c. So this will be equal to 1 minus y is equal to e power minus x into e power c. So e power c, you can treat it as some other constant, capital C. So 1 minus y is equal to capital C into e power minus x, which implies y is equal to 1 minus capital C into e power minus x. Here we have e power minus. Okay. Fourth one. Secant square y into, sorry, fourth one, secant square x tan y dx plus secant square y tan x dy is equal to 0. So we need to solve this. So here, what we can do is, here if I observe, since we are having dx here, this tan y is an unwanted term for us. Similarly, when you have y here, tan x is unwanted. So based on this, we can start the solution like this. Divide with tan x into tan y on both sides. So when we do this, we get secant square x divided by tan x divided by tan x dx plus secant square y divided by tan y dy is equal to 0. Now, if we integrate it, then what we are going to get is, observe, if I put tan x is equal to t here, then I'll get secant square x dx is equal to dt. So it will become integral of dt by t plus this one will become integral of d, let's say z by z is equal to 0, which implies you will get log t plus log z is equal to 0. This also implies log of t is tan x plus log of z is tan y is equal to 0. Right? What we can do is we'll add a constant since we are integrating and say plus log c is equal to 0. Which implies log tan y is equal to minus log tan x minus log c. Okay. Or we can do one thing. Simpler processes. If I multiply these two, I'll get log of tan x into tan y plus log c is equal to 0. So log of tan x into tan y is equal to minus log c, which implies tan x into tan y is a constant. That will be the answer. Are you able to understand? Okay.
Sir, last step, sir.
Yeah. Done?
Just a minute, sir. Yeah, done.
Okay. So if you see the fifth question, it is e power x plus e power minus x into dy minus e power x minus e power minus x dx is equal to 0. So we will have e power x plus e power minus x dy okay is equal to e power x minus e power minus x dx. So dy is equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x times dx. So integrating on both the sides, we get y is equal to, here if you observe, if I take the denominator to be t, the numerator is dt. So y will be equal to log of e power x plus e power minus x plus c. And this will be the required answer. Done? Sixth one. Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. So 1 plus x square will be here only. We'll bring the 1 plus y square this side. So dy divided by 1 plus y square is equal to 1 plus x square times dx. So when we integrate on both the sides, this implies this value is tan inverse of y is equal to integral of 1 plus x square will be x plus x cube by 3 plus c. So this is going to be the required answer. Next one. 7th. Y log y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. So y log y into dx will be equal to x dy. Bring this one this side and x this side. This implies dx divided by x will be equal to dy divided by y log y. So left hand side there is no problem. right hand side, if you see, you have y log y. So what we can do is, if I put log y is equal to t, then you will get 1 by y into dy is equal to dt. So the whole expression gets changed as dx divided by x is equal to, in the place of dy by y, we will have dt divided by log y will be t. So integrating on both the sides implies uh, log x is equal to log p plus c, or we can write it as log c also. So since everywhere you have log, you can write it as log c also. So log x is equal to log of log y plus log c. So this implies, if I bring the log c to the left hand side, log x minus log c will be equal to log of log y. So this will be x into c or cx. Okay. This will be equal to log of log y, which implies log y is equal to e power cx. Right. So log y is equal to c power dx would be the required solution. Wait, there is a mistake. So log cx is equal to this implies log y is equal to cx, which implies y is equal to e power cx. Then this should be the solution.
Sir,
Tell me that.
sir, log x minus log c, how did it become like log cx?
See, log x by small c.
Yes, sir.
So that 1 by small c, I took it as capital C and wrote it as cx.
Another constant. Okay, sir.
Yeah, some other constant. Clear? Eighth one. X power 5 into dy by dx is equal to minus y power 5. So rearrange it, no? dy divided by y power 5 is equal to minus dx divided by x power 5, integrate on both the sides. When you do this, this will be written as y power minus 5 dy is equal to negative of x power minus 5 dx. So y power minus 5 will be minus y power minus 4y power minus 4 is equal to minus of minus 4x to the power minus 4 plus c. So taking this to the left hand side, we'll have, or I will take this to the right hand side and c to the left hand side, then you will have 4x power minus 4 plus 4y to the power of minus 4 is equal to some constant capital C. So which implies 1 by x power 4 plus 1 by y power 4, or 4 by x power 4 plus 4 by y power 4 is equal to capital C, or 1 by x power 4 plus 1 by y power 4 is equal to capital C by 4. This capital C by 4, you can call it as some k also. Done? So the ninth problem. Dy by dx is equal to sine inverse of x, which implies dy is equal to sine inverse of x dx. So integrating on both the sides. Okay. So left hand side you will have y is equal to integral of sine inverse x is by applying isolate. Inverse is first, algebraic is second. So sine inverse x into 1. So first function into, sorry, first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. So y will be equal to x sine inverse x minus, here what we can do is multiply and divide it with 2, minus half into, or okay, I'll do one thing. I will put 1 minus x square is equal to t, which implies minus 2x dx is equal to dt, or x dx will be equal to minus dt by 2. So y is equal to x sine inverse x minus integral of dt by 2 root t. Okay, this implies y will be equal to x sine inverse x minus half into integral of root t is going to be, or integral of 1 by 2 root t is actually root t. We have a plus c. So y is equal to x sine inverse x minus half into square root of 1 minus x square plus c, and this will be the required answer.
Sir, that 1 by 2 should not be coming, right?
It's not there, no? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we should not come. Minus, now I think it's fine. Root of 1 minus x square. So 10th one. E power x into tan y dx so 10th one, e power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x secant square y dy is equal to 0. Okay, so how to solve this? So if we rearrange the equation, we can have 1 minus e power x into secant square y dy is equal to minus of e power x into tan y dx. Right? So here you have y, here you have y. So we'll bring it to the left hand side. So secant square y divided by tan y into dy is equal to minus e power x divided by 1 minus e power x times dx. So if I integrate on both the sides, if I put tan y is equal to t, secant square y dy is dt. So here you will get log t is equal to, if I put 1 minus e power x as z, then minus e power x dx is dz. So you will have log z plus log c. Okay. So this will be log of tan y is equal to log of 1 minus e power x plus log c. So this will be equal to log of c into 1 minus e power x. So here also log, here also log. Tan y will be equal to c into 1 minus e power x. Okay.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Last. Let's start now.
So 11th one is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus x. Y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So here you can't find the general solution, you will find the particular solution. So it's dy is equal to 2x square plus x divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This one, if you integrate on both the sides, then this x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, if you try to factorize it, then what are you going to get? So I think minus 1 will satisfy the equation. Yes, minus 1 will satisfy. So when you use the synthetic division method, 1, 1, 1, and 1, put a minus 1 here, start with 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So you will have x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Yeah. So this thing is there, no? So we can write it as 2x square plus x divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Right. So this will be equal to a divided by x plus 1 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Right. So I'll give you 2 minutes time. Calculate the value of a, b, c, and d. You're done? What is the value of ABC? So what is the value of A? So A plus B is 2, A plus C is 0, and B plus C is 1. So on solving these two, we'll get A minus C is equal to 1, and A plus C is already 0. So 2A will be 1, which implies A is half. So A is half, B is 3 by 2, C will be minus half. Take this and substitute it here, and so left hand side you have dy. So integral of dy is equal to integral of half divided by x plus 1. So half into dx by x plus 1 plus integral of 2 is common in the denominator. Okay. So 3x minus 1 by x square plus 1. Half into half into 3x minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 dx. Okay. So y is equal to half of log x plus 1 plus half into so this I can write it as integral of 3x by x square plus 1 minus half into integral of dx by x square plus 1. So 3 will come out. So y will be equal to log of x plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 by 2 into integral of x divided by x square plus 1 dx minus half into we have a dx now. Half into integral of dx divided by x square plus 1. So this one, if you see, multiply and divide it with 2. So you will have y is equal to half log of x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 log of x square plus 1 minus half into tan inverse x plus c. So y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0. So when I put y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 means 1 is equal to half of log 1 plus 3 by 4 log 1 minus half into tan inverse of 1 plus c. So log 1 is 0, log 1 is 0, minus of tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So 1 is equal to minus pi by 8 plus c, which implies c is equal to pi by 8 plus 1. So x is 0 now. So when I put x is equal to 0, this will also be 0. So c is equal to 1. So c, when I take it to be equal to 1, then what is going to be the general solution? Now you know. I mean, sorry, the particular solution. So the particular solution is going to be y is equal to y is equal to half log x plus 1, half log x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 log of 1 plus x square minus tan inverse x by 2 plus 1. So this will be the required solution. Yeah. Okay. So this will be the last problem for the day. How many are over? 11, no? So from 12th we can do tomorrow and we'll start homogeneous equations. Okay, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Wind up some.
Sir, nothing. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, will the chemistry class will be held, sir, during Thursday and Friday?
I have to check the way. What happened? You need any help or you don't want?
No, sir. The main subjects are starting from Friday, sir. So,
So till now you don't have main subjects, sir?
sir, till now we are having like Max got over and tomorrow CS.
1 minute.